Hello everyone, this is Princey and today we will be learning how to convert the number which is formatted as text back to numbers. This happens when we extract data from softwares or when we copy data from emails or PDFs. So how do we do it? One way is we can do it using value, trim and clean function. So let's see how to do it. Value, trim and clean. We are using all the three formulas in one cell only. Instead of doing it in three different columns and checking which one is working, we are using all of them. Select the cell and then close all the brackets and then done. Now you can see that all of these are converted to numbers. How do we check that if this is if these are formatted as text or numbers? Usually by default text will be left aligned and numbers will by default be right aligned. One other way is to check that if I use any formula which involves a range, basically like B5 to B15, and if I press enter, so see here I am getting a 0 here because the data is not formatted as numbers. Now if I use it here, see I'm getting a proper sum. Second way is to do it using text to columns. Let's see how to do it. First select the data which you want to convert. Go to data, click on text to columns and click on next. Ensure that this tab option is selected like this. Click on next and select the destination cell where you want your formatted data to be. Like I wanted to start from here till here. So I've selected entered F5 here. Click on finish and my data is converted to numbers. We can verify it using the formula like this. Third way is to do it using paste special. So we will enter 1. We'll write 1 in any cell and then we'll copy it and then go to first what we will do is we will bring this data to here. Okay, still it is as text. Then we will copy this one which we had written in this cell. Then we will select our range and go to home tab. Click on this paste drop down. Click on paste special and then here click on values and click on multiply and OK. And your data is converted to numbers. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching and please do subscribe to my channel and like the video. Thank you.